All right, folks, ladies and gentlemen, on board the 2018 Grady-White 180 Fisherman. I have all the cushions off the boat right now because I keep them stored inside, but this boat is absolutely clean, flawless down here in Northwest Florida, Pensacola, Florida. We're going to go ahead and trim the motor down. Yamaha 150, 4-stroke, less than 100 hours on it. The C-Star hydraulic steering. This boat is absolutely mint. I'm going to go ahead and hole shot this for you guys so you can see her live in action.